Hey wonderful people! Welcome back to Shiru's mesmerizing world. If you have not yet subscribed, do it right now. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. Today I wanted to share a small craft with you all to make your lockdown birthdays even more special. I've seen most of you all are celebrating birthdays and putting the status my lockdown birthday and all, trying cakes, and I have noticed there is no much decoration in the background. So to make your lockdown birthdays even more special, I am showing a very easy simple decoration for your backgrounds. You can use this idea lifelong for any kind of occasion. You can make your special ones birthdays even more special because you are going to make something which is handmade for them. So to make the banner, you'll need some color papers and some pens or sketches. One A4 size paper, we are going to cut 4 pieces. So fold it into half and again into half. Now cut them. After cutting them, now we are going to cut here in the form of a triangle at the bottom. Mark in the center and draw these lines. It forms a triangle. Now cut this triangle. Do the same with all the other sheets. So I've done cutting. See, like this. So I have cut them all. I've counted how many I want and I have made them all. They are all ready now. We need 12 of these. If you're going to write happy birthday, one for each letter. If you are going to add the name of the person, then count how many alphabets are there in his or her name and add those many of these. You can alternate light color with the dark color, or you can use single color, or you can even use 3 colors, combination of colors. That's up to you. I'm using only these. I'm going to use this brown sketch to write over these and this ribbon. If you don't have any ribbon, you can use any kind of thread. I'm going to punch them now. Punch holes at the corner. So yeah, I've punched a hole. So I'm going to punch hole in the corners to each of these. Punching work is over. Now I'm going to write and then I'm going to thread this. You can use sketch pens or you can paint if you wish, or else you can use tapes like this and stick them in the form of an alphabet over this sheet. It's up to you. So I've finished writing all the alphabets like this. I'll show you. This is done now. I'm going to hang it on the wall. Stick it to the wall or wherever you want. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your special birthdays and anniversaries, because maybe this is the first time in your lifetime that you are celebrating inside the home only with your family members. So yeah, give me a thumbs up if you like this video and do share. Please do subscribe for more videos. Bye bye. Take care.